Hi, this is Shari Brandell from Style Tips with Shari, and I am so happy that you have found my channel. And I want to tell you why I actually decided to start a YouTube channel. It's because I started looking around on the internet and started looking at YouTubers, and nobody seemed like they were like me or understood me. They all looked perfect and they all looked like they had it all together, and they just didn't seem like the average real woman. And that's why I decided to start this channel, to help women just like you to feel good in your own skin. I understand that you might look in the mirror and not like what you see. I understand that you might stand there and go, oh, I don't like my hair, I don't like my hips, I don't like my thighs, I don't like anything about me. But God did not make a mistake with you. He made you exactly the way that you're supposed to be. And I just want to help you every single week with style tips and color tips and hairstyle tips and makeup tips, and help you to realize that you can be confident in the way that you are made. And if that is what you get every single week, then, and maybe it takes your style level up just a little bit, because maybe you're feeling like you're at like the low end right now. Like, I have no style, I have no confidence, I'm like a 1 or a 2. If every week I get you up maybe another number, and every week you just feel a little bit better about yourself and have the guidance and the tools and the skills to do so, then I'm your girl. So just so you know that I'm not just some person who decided to start a YouTube channel on fashion. I've been in the industry a really long time, and I've been told that you're really not supposed to say how long you've been in, because then people will know how old you are. But I'm gonna be honest here. I've been in the industry for over 40 years. Okay, let's see, 40 plus, yeah, 40 years. Because I would say that I started my journey when I was 18 years old. I just told you how old I was. I have a degree in fashion merchandising. I speak all over the country. I've spoken internationally as well on the topic of fashion and faith. And I'm a regular woman just like you. I've got a couple of books out. Help Me Jesus, I Have Nothing to Wear was a remake of Good Girls Don't Have to Dress Bad, so you don't have to get both of those. But I have an online style community, which we'd love for you to be a part of. It's called the Nicest Style Community on the Internet. Anyway, I am glad that you found me. I hope that you are just going to decide to subscribe to this channel and say, okay, what do I have to lose? Let's see if she can teach me a few things. So that's what I'm here for. Please comment when I have videos, because I do answer every single one. Every now and then I miss one, but then I find it eventually. I am glad that you found me. I pray that you are having a beautiful day, thinking about the way that you're made, and that you know that this can be a journey that we can go on together. So thank you for being here and watching this video, and I can't wait to see you as I go through this journey and you and I go through this together. See ya. Bye-bye.